Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning, remove oils and makeup so the seal bonds. Once done, isolate a section of lashes and place protective pads. This controls adhesion. Next, shake and dispense a pea-sized amount of seal and bond onto a clean palette, then use a micro brush to pick up product. Apply a thin line from base to midshaft. Avoid tips. You do this because thinner application cures evenly and reduces clumping, which improves retention and comfort. Now you apply methodically. Hold the lash fan slightly open, then brush seal and bond from the base toward the midshaft, not the tips, because tips can stiffen and feel heavy. Once applied, use a gentle 1-2 second blast of the approved curing lamp or let it air tack per instructions. This controls polymerization. After initial set, comb with a clean spoolie to separate fibers. If you see uneven spots, reapply a microscopic dot and recure to avoid lumps. To finish, cure fully and then gently test flexibility. Lash movement should feel natural, not rigid. If you spot hardened beads, use a precision tweezer to remove them and smooth with a tiny drop of remover designed for adhesives. This dissolves excess without damaging lashes. Make sure to apply a conditioning serum afterward to restore pliability. If lashes felt brittle, you likely overcured. Next time, reduce exposure slightly and spread product thinner. This preserves comfort and extends wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.